Hi guys, this Monday we're launching our program for the CAT exam. So in case you want to join our program, just call the numbers given in the description box and my team can help you out with joining our program. You can join for the complete CAT program or only for the books, mock, shortcuts, whichever program you want to join. Hi guys, there are 5 reasons why college students don't perform in the CAT exam. Those who don't perform, those who did, obviously they can. 33% of the batch at any of the IIMs, SP Jain, Bajaj, any of the top colleges have no experience, so they are freshers or they might have taken a gap year. So if they can do, anybody can do it. But yes, there are some reasons which can hamper your performance, and number one reason being that you're in final year. I'm in final year, I want to enjoy, this is the last year of my life in college, then my friends will go away, so let's enjoy. Fine. Boss, if you're going for an MBA, you are again going to meet 2 years of your college again. You again meet new friends there. So don't worry. So don't take it as a reason. Trust me, that's one of the very, very common reason why people don't perform in the CAT exam. Number 2 is projects, assignments. If you see all the engineers, non-engineers especially, their graph goes up. First year is comparatively easy, then second year more difficult, then third year the most difficult. Project work, this, that, attendance, there's a lot of trouble in the final year. Engineers, normally it's ultra trend. First year is more difficult, then second year, then third year, then final year. That's the typical trend which I've seen. So final year being more project-wise, assignment-wise, placement-wise, so that's why people get stuck there. Point number 2 is the difficult curriculum in second year, in the final year. Third reason is the placement, which I talked about in the second part. Placement, especially for engineers, BMS, BCom, the colleges where you get placement. Final SEM is normally gone there. And if you ask me to choose between CAT and my final year, my placement, obviously I'll give more weightage to the placement. Yeah, and that's why people stuck into the placement cycle and they forget the CAT exam. That's the typical trend I've seen. But actually it's a ulta fact. To crack the placement, you have to crack the exam, entrance exam or the placement paper. To crack the paper, those who are preparing for GRE, GMAT, CAT, they have a better chance. I've seen them performing better in the placement report. It's like those who don't want a job, those who want to go for CAT or MBA abroad or further studies abroad, they are getting the jobs. And those who want job, they're not getting the job. That's a typical trend which I've seen. समझा मैंने क्या बोला? मेरे को भी समझा मैंने क्या बोला. Number 4 reason is people don't get company. Trust me. Yeah. In every college, a typical branch, hardly 2-3 people are preparing for the MBA. If your friend circle is not preparing for MBA, it's very, very difficult for you to focus. अरे कहाँ MBA करेगा, छोड़ यार हमारे साथ मस्ती कर, enjoy करते हैं, final year है हमारा, so why to do that, this and that. Reason number 5 is Quora and various other people who bring in all the negative energy. नहीं तू नहीं कर पाएगा, final year में है, you need work-ex. You know there is 2% extra marks for work-ex, 5% extra marks for work-ex in IIM Bangalore. So you won't get 5% marks. Boss, it's ulta. You are in college, you are used to the hard work, you're used to studies. Yeah, for you cracking the exam is much more easier than a person with work experience. Remember that line. Last pointer on my list is the college exams. Pointer number 6 is the college exam. Because most of the people, especially engineers at times, your college exams will clash with the CAT exam. CAT exam is going to be 1 or 2 weeks before the exam, your SEM exam. So I think SEM 7 for engineers and SEM 5 for non-engineers. Or during the CAT exam or immediately after the CAT exam. And that sometimes hamper that. Ask your parents, should I focus on my CAT preparation or should I focus on my SEM exam? Boss, कौन CAT? चुपचाप एग्जाम निकाल, क्योंकि जब तू एग्जाम ही निकाल पाएगा तो क्या क्या कर लेगा. I think these are the 6 reasons which hampers your performance in the CAT. All of them can be handled. People do handle them. So if you ask me whether I should go for MBA immediately after my college, prepare now or prepare along with the work, I say now. Why? Because you are fresh. If you're not getting the top point now, you can still wait for 1 year. Okay? Wait for 2 years, yes, unless you make it to the top IIMs or top MBA college. Okay, because once you're in the job, suppose you're in the second year of your work experience, your age is 24, 25, at that time it is a do or die attempt for you. You have to take whichever college you get. ठीक है, that's why I say जितना जल्दी तैयारी करोगे उतना आपको एडवांटेज मिलेगा. I'm not saying join the college now. All I'm saying is start preparation now. Alright, all the best.